long flashlight that you hate so much.
Who
Sam.
wants the boom bike? Boom bike? Yeah. Who wants the boom bike?
I've got the soundboard, so
I can
I'll
take
sit
the
the
boom
boom
mic.
mic.
oh my god.
Yeah.
We got this. Oh my god. I know. Oh god, it's the one with the knife. Oh my god, it can fly! Jesus Christ! I know.
Guys, we gotta go. We gotta get out of here.
Guys, we gotta go.
No, we can't.
No, you don't understand. The
The
knife.
thing with the knife, the doll with the knife, fucking flew at me.
It
I
can
was on top and it flew at me.
It
It
can
can fly.
He's here.
He can fly.
He's here.
I hear him.
Guys. Run, Meg, run.
Mine. Okay, guys. Today, our show is just gonna be about dating the monsters. A dating show.
Smash or
You know
pass?
what? You know
Oh,
what?
yeah.
Who's got the camera? Just one
Sam.
one sentence for me. You ready?
Hold up. Go.
Well, I am a monster fucker, so.
Ayo. Ayo. What?
Hey yo, brother.
No
You're crazy.
no shame, brother. No shame in
That's
front
kind
of
of
me.
noise, just so you guys know.
What'd you say?
Love that for you.
It's canon. It's real.
You know what? I can't judge you for that, and I won't.
You read werewolf fanfiction. Yeah, you can't judge.
How about you shut your mouth?
On Bigfoot. Don't forget Bigfoot.
Carlisle X Bigfoot fanfic? I read that.
Carlisle as in.
Cullen.
Oh,
What's that? What's that noise? Meg, where are you? Meg? Meg!
I'm gonna feel so bad if they're still alive. Oh, hi.
She got attacked by a spider, and I tried to show you guys, and you weren't there.
We were trying to find you!
You were
And
trying
then
to
I was
find
by
you.
myself. And then I was alone, and it got even worse. Whoa! Talk about a close-up.
So we have 169 nice dollars. Get me, box. Jeff Bezos, I want that insurance check.
Did you get that recorded?
Yeah!
No Chick-fil-A sauce? Oh, it wasn't even recording?
I don't want to be stuck by a snail!
Oh my god.
Oh god.
I don't even know what that sounds like on the other end.
Frightening.
Oh my god. Well, what is up with her arms?
What? There's nothing wrong with her arm.
No, they look.
Happens. I'm cursed.
No, okay, drop the camera. Drop the camera.
Be careful, guys.
What? What? Whoa!
Be careful.
Hit that.
Threw a skull at me.
No, it was a torby.
Yeah, and you guys have to say that really fast. You ready?
Say what? Say what? What did I
Don't
say?
forget to like and subscribe.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't forget to like.
No,
Don't forget to
subscribe.
like and subscribe.
No. I only got 0.1 of a second.
It's just saying don't.